Here's how to make a Gamepass in Roblox on your iPhone. Now, if you're playing Roblox on your iPhone and you wanted to create your own Gamepass, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, if you have the Roblox app open here, unfortunately, you cannot do it in the app directly. You need to hop out of the app and open up a web browser instead, like Safari or Google Chrome. Now from here, all you need to do is go to create.roblox.com and hit go. And of course, you need to log into your account. You can see I'm logged into my account. After you've logged in, you're going to tap on those three lines at the top left and then tap on creations. From here, you can see whatever you have created. In my case, Carolina 1010's place, and I can tap on it to open it up. Now I'll create that Gamepass from here just by tapping on the three lines at the top left again. And now you'll be able to see all I need to do is scroll down. Under monetization, you're going to tap on passes, the third option down. Now, if you've created passes already, they'll show up on the bottom here. But if you haven't, just tap on create a pass. Keep in mind, you can upload whatever photo or basically any JPEG or anything that you want in here, and you're going to name this. So I'm going to name this Pass 2. I can put a description on here, and then when I'm ready, hit create a pass. However, keep in mind, this isn't for sale yet, because you can see if I swipe over, it says off sale, and the other one is currently on sale. So I'm going to tap on that pass here. So tap on where it says Pass 2. And now from here, I'm going to tap on those three lines at the top left and then tap on sales. Now from here, you can see item for sale. I'm going to toggle this on and set a price. So I'm going to say 50 Robux, and you can choose enable regional pricing if you want to. And then hit the save changes here. Now it is for sale. If you want to share that with anyone else, I would highly recommend going back. So tapping on the three lines at the top left and hitting back to passes at the top. Now from here, that Pass 2, I can swipe all the way over on it, tap on it, and then tap the three dots. And then I can hit the copy URL or open in a new tab and then just share that with anyone else that I want to donate to or basically use that pass. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.